And yes, your done or your body. Betrayal is part of love. Love and hate, they are brothers. But man, you're saying your worst enemy can be your best friend, and your best friend can be your worst enemy. How committed are you in the relationship or the marriage? You won't conform and now muti obi feel say wa worry you, but the other spouse didn't him so one worry. February is a month of love. It's a planet, it's a month ruled by the goddess called Venus. She's a goddess of love. Me munim say be spiritual, be spiritual dey abuwa ntime me. And then person dey ka asem de bi. Are you married? And as are you dating? And are you seeing somebody? What is even love? And what do we expect before we get married? You will be afraid of the hard truth. TME, you'll be afraid of the hard truth. And you say, you're done or your body. That's the first truth. Semin no one now no me, I am bonny and family home. It is before or banning them, I'm a better no. Me person wouldn't ever be too wide dream. And the first one is betrayal is part of love. We are much. Yes. Yesu na odo Judas Iscariot pa ono betray no. No do Peter pa Peter po there or say it's you I'll build my church ono kan no betray no 3 times. Judas po there say ba. Betrayal is part of love. Fasadwe tuchi. And koye we want to say love is a smooth way. Love and hate, they are brothers. And nothing that, but man, you say your worst enemy can be your best friend, and your best friend can be your worst enemy. So what the side when you show chima, only obi na o betrayal, our real man na bibi mo a, ebe yo but you understand say a part of it. And then me be when you laugh na make sure. Number 2, you'll be afraid commitment. How committed are you in the relationship or the marriage? You won't conform and now muti. Obi feel say wa worry you, but the other spouse didn't so one worry. Yes. You won't conform and now muti way they feel they are married, but the other spouse no say one worry one kunu. Because only commitment na wo no e small. The other one has what? It makes sure say I didn't know who come no both of you are what? Committed in the relationship. Someone you're committed enough, don't go in. The third part is financial status. Yes. Oh so ya ntro. Me ma metiase. Osi coffee. Or baby or on your size and kofa. Sometimes no, you feel it to say because you was you can then we can go for any woman or bois. Or baby or do it because of what you can give. Relationship be what you can give me no any relationship papa. And make you be yes so. Relationship be tell me department for BS kasem jai. A fucking relationship. Relationship, a sharing. And nothing, and then me, I will me, Sabe, or your bar number a pal. Now catch him and say, what can you give me? You are small minded. Me, Mawa, what are you also going to give me? Sex? Now say sex, yeah, a man cry, move me back 3-4 times. Now, yeah, one baba. I want a woman who will give me more than sex. Something more than sex. And son, I was super Korea. I want you to think about. A man who comes in just to give you sexual pleasure is not a man worth marrying. Bema, time power, Bema, time I babeda. And now oba unim so or girlfriend or friend wa unim say obe pesca de anya brana me so na menye anya relationship. and also dream. Now, the other things that we need to is what we call mutual respect. Mene won terminal, and yes, sir, yenya respect cry, you can't say, yenya a buoma yahu. So, Bumia, Obi, baby to me, can say, I want respect. Do you give respect? Your baby be a sabbath, on any rate, Cassa air time. And some of you no ban air time. And some ancient crime, and that same man is telling me, say, I want respect. Why do you want the respect? You the man, you don't have respect. So why do you want the woman to what? Respect you? And also should be what? That. Now, you do baby, you share there. Maturity level. Maturity is not age. Maturity and your age. Obi at the 30 or nyansa, obi at the 50 were Jimmy. Maturity mostly experiences in life and how you apply it in your life. Yes, that is maturity. Simple definition. Say, oba na bema onye mature the enware no. And I'm not talking about age. Bema or jumping into conclusions quickly without even analyzing enware no. And likewise, Oba before Obeka say I say no, what quite did I know? Honestly, enware no. Sa ura ware ma na niema ye no ye hu ye ho so ayenware no. Oba bi wo hod ma kasa it does not add anything to you. Bema bi so o asabi oka obeka asem 1 hour. Bisa ho sa eden oka nyansa bi ani. Sa ni pa ne enware no. But trust me, oh worry obi e mature that it saves you a lot of problem and you are saying it save you. Obi a catch yourself me who you know hotel. How do you react? Do you go there quickly to go and beat the man? Or do you even wait for the woman to come? And even Oba, how are you going to go about it? Send na Oba baby sano. Maturity no. Because normally na Oba no to asha so na ne pupo but as a matured man nipa no de ko hotel ne sabe no omunyi rom ho hotel ani mo wonim ne on ko ya inside ho e bi kra na ne cousin e bi na hotel a e won garden so mpotena ani mo kike na wo so ba no wo shia wo cousin na sabe osi o ye mpa ba bi ntina no o frɛ wo kuru ka chen say oh baby me shia se mesi wa ha o na ye kotena kakra did you do that one yes sir and also do cousin it's your buy na ye kan and he's my cousin and you know did you tell me? So maturity is both ways. Obana enya the sense to tell the husband say adie we am ye say that here be man so enya nyansa and taking the time also pouncing. Now adie ba ko a sebe when nyina ekọ adie mienu and you communicate into good marriage. Last but what? Communication. How do you communicate? How do you communicate? Because me a bear man, you know, am I supposed to have the final say in everything? Or because Obano, is she supposed to have the final say in everything? It's a question. Says Sabe, Asamoba, near car. Oba and just one bro be maso. And yet Oba want to make us a me pacho. Oba want to make us a yo. Oba want to make us a mate. Young and worry be da bema. So bema so Oba no be how. Likewise, bema want to mean you now on say my baby, my love. I want to was on dropping the ego. Bema sabe and pemu na one yen yamabino one so worry be da. Go say worry. Now, to crown it all, February month of love, sex, intimacy, very, very important, vital. More intimacy in the sense that here, most marriages, sex topic is taboo. Me pacho wa o hwe me. One boy and now couldn't talk about sex. What be so you say a dear na me ye wo deda e wo mpem and na oba is what catch you say baby me so me hefa pa na de mawa e ye wo de ye mo ye ho kom. Sex is not taboo. Sex needs to be discussed because when we be your society man we don't talk about sex and that thing has gone into the mind. Obini ne yere nam onim ne yere who she is ebia wo yere no kwa pen hard doggy pa 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 wo de wonim de bia na call it slow and on pen side. We need to talk to our partners saying that wo pen ma oba ne mra out no make control man nye free man feel free. Relationship will be feeling free no ekwa nim papa na che na relationship sabe bibia ye taboo bibia ye be kam ye dise adwen ho no sa relationship na enkwasa relationship enti enne aye Vows Day and na February aye the month of love wo hwe mi epacho do something for me mo ka jira mo ho no say I love you baby mo ka niama mo mpe na mo ka niama so amope na 14th ne die Uma mpani su. Mpano enya kukrek no bia hu say mpani su. So therefore so there mo be bre because the producers so jani mo be bre papa. Ewi hasi away. What say? What person oba mi hawa bre o bre edu ba say na so wa bre. The American child is a happy Vows Day. Na nya baby ano. Make sure say, oh yeah, to improve your sex life, your love life. I Xposed HFM member, subscribe, share. Minute 2 man, I can